fear is just feedback of what's going on inside of us. Now, most people won't think about it like that. I didn't used to think about it like that, but now I do. Now think about this. Anything you're fearing, just know that gives you feedback of what you get to work on. And you want to hear my word get to. Not have to, but you get to, so you make that fear into a strength. You make that the exact opposite of what you're fearing is your greatest gift of what you get to grow into. Now let's look at when fear comes. Fear overwhelms you. But is that where it starts? It never starts with the fear. Where it starts with the doubt that we never rejected right when it came. So fear is always the effect, it's never the cause. The cause is the doubt. So look at it. What is doubt? Doubt is old conditioning. Doubt is an old story from the past. So every time you have a fear, I want you to understand first, say, where did that come from? It came from doubt. When you have doubt, tell yourself this. That's just my old conditioning. And you reject it. That's not where I'm going. And this is where we have to have a definite goal that we're going after. And you say, well, I don't know if I can do it. Good, that means it's a good goal. You're not gonna know because you've never done it yet. So the first thing is we become aware of the doubt and we say, no, I do not accept it.